Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Gold daily chart. And as you can see, we dipped and touched this trend line of the wedge, and we bounced back. And here there are some points that are joining for me, so that's a strong support for me, and we bounce back up. There's the daily chart. We have a green candle. We broke above this area, so we are back, and we can look at this area as support again. Now what I would think is that we are likely to go up to this next area of resistance around 1800 1803, and let's see what happens there. Yeah, so because here we have this wedge, and we are squeezing up, gold is squeezing up. We have this sort of triangle pattern here towards the end, and yeah, like this. Here it comes, and like that, here it goes. Of course we can put it lower, but if you look at the weekly, then the candles, the body candles are like that. So we are squeezing up in this area, and sooner or later we will break out. I would say we will break out to the upside, and if we go over 1870, have a weekly close above 1870, then that's a very big long sign, a very bullish sign, and we could go up to previous all-time high and above. So let's go over to silver. Let's look at the silver chart. Okay, so this is the silver chart, and we also have this sort of wedge here, wedge pattern, and we started to go up. We broke to the upside as predicted, but now we fell down, and now let's have a closer look at it. Yeah, on the long term, if you look at it on the long term, we are spending time at the bottom of this range, which is an area of consolidation, at least could be, and it suggests that sooner or later we will turn back to the upside, go to 28 and above. Okay. Now let's have a closer look at the chart, and here, yeah, here, as you can see, we have gone into this area of support. In fact, we had a little dip below that, but then we bounced back up, of course, and we are back in this wedge. In fact, this body candle closed in the wedge, the lower part and the upper part as well. So it was a false breakout for me, or breakdown for me, and now we are back in this wedge, and now sooner or later I expect a bullish breakout to the upside, which is telling me that we will be on our way to 24 and above. So oops, didn't want to do that. Yeah, to back to this area of resistance. This is now resistance for us, something like that. So I think once we break out, we will come back here and possibly over to the top of this range, and once we get there we will see what happens. But right now on the daily we have a low and we have a lower low. If we build up a lower high, for example, we go to this area and then turn back down, that's a very bad sign. So let's see what happens. For the short term, I think we are going to 24. That's all for now. See you next time.